that holds the related resources for an Azure solution. It can include all the resources for the solution or include only those resources which you want to manage as a group. Resource groups are containers of resources that have a common life cycle or share an attribute such as all SQL servers or application attendance. Creating a resource group. Step 1. Hover your cursor over the Resource Groups button inside the navigation drawer, then click on Create in the appeared pop-up. In the next window, you have to fill the subscription type, resource group name, and region. Then click Review plus Create or Next to add tags. Step 3. You are now on the Tags window, where you can create a tag to organize Azure resources by categories logically. We have to give it a name and value. Click Next. Step 4. You are now on the Review plus Create window. Check the details shown below. If they are correct, then click on Create. Step 5. You will be redirected to the home page, and a notification will appear showing the resource group is created. Step 6. Click on Go to Resource Group to view the Resource Group window. Let's have a quick look at the menu item of this page, but remember it may be different for different resources. For example, the configuration setting will be different for VMS as compared to databases. 1. Overview. On the Overview pane, we can see all the resources that belong to that resource group and also some metadata of the resource groups such as to which subscription it belongs to, any tags associated with it, what deployments had been carried out, etc.
2. Activity log. It provides administrative activity data that has been carried out on that particular resource. So, in this case, we create a resource group. Hence we have one update resource succeeded. So when we click on it, we can see the metadata associated with it, and when we click on JSON, we can see what operations have been carried out, see figure below. 3. Access control. If we want to delegate access to any resource to somebody else, then we can assign a contributor role or owner role to any resource group to somebody. And the details of this role-based access control we can find on the Security Services page of this tutorial. 4. Tags. We can assign tags to any resource in Azure to classify them into categories. 5. Events. Any events that are happening in any particular resource group, we can subscribe to those events and do something with it. For example, a virtual machine has been started or stopped. In that case, we can capture the event and send an email to somebody. 6. Deployment. We can see any implementations that happened here. 7. Policies. We can create and view policies here. 8. Cost management. We can view the resource cost here. 9. Monitoring. We can set alerts, see the metrics associated with this resource group, diagnostic settings, and so on.